If you're wondering how to fix Amazon Family Vault not working, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So to fix the Amazon Family Vault, first, you want to first verify that you have activated it on your Amazon Photos website. You can simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Amazon Photos right over here. And then simply go ahead and click on the first link. It is going to take you right over here. You want to simply go ahead and click on sign in into the web. And this is where you want to simply go ahead and download the application. Once you've downloaded the application, it should go ahead and work. If it doesn't work, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and check if it is your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Also, always ensure that VPN is off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling both the Photos and Amazon app and reinstall it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.